Welcome to the Food Preservation Series, a collaborative project between Little Priest Tribal College Extension and Nebraska Extension. My name is Cindy Bryson, Extension Educator in Food and Nutrition with the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. There are many types of gelled products one can prepare at home. Jelly, jam, preserves, conserves, and marmalades are fruit products that are jellied or thickened. Most are preserved by sugar. Jellies are usually made by cooking fruit juice with sugar. Jams are thick, sweet spreads made by cooking crushed or chopped fruits with sugar. Preserves are small, whole fruit or uniform-sized pieces in a clear, slightly gelled syrup. Conserves are jam-like products that may be made with a combination of fruits. They also contain nuts, raisins, or coconut. Marmalades are soft fruit jellies containing small pieces of fruit or peel evenly suspended in the transparent jelly. They often contain citrus fruit. Other fruit products that are preserved by sugar but not jellied include butters, honeys, and syrups. Fruit butters are sweet spreads made by cooking fruit pulp with sugar to a thick consistency. Spices are often added. Honeys and syrups are made by cooking fruit juice or pulp with sugar to the consistency of honey or syrup. There are a few ingredients needed to make jams and jellies. For successful jellied products, one needs to follow a tested recipe and measure accurately. If the ingredients are off a little, your product may not gel and it could become unsafe. Fruit provides the color and flavor to jams and jellies. It also furnishes at least one part of the pectin and acid needed for a gel. The fruit should be just at the ripe stage for best natural color and flavor. Fruits of a regular size and shape can be used as long as they are good quality, since they will be cut up, mashed, or made into juice. Canned or frozen fruit or fruit juice can be used to make jelly products. If you use commercially canned or frozen products, select those that have no added sugar. It's best if canned fruits are canned in their own juice. Because commercial canned or frozen products are made from fully ripe fruit, which are lower in pectin than underripe fruit, pectin must be added. Pectin is the substance that causes the fruit to gel. Some kinds of fruits have enough natural pectin to make high-quality products. Others require added pectin, especially when they are used for making jellies. The highest quality pectin is found in just ripe fruit. Pectin from underripe or overripe fruit will not form a gel. Commercial pectins are made from apples or citrus fruit and are available in both powdered and liquid forms. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's directions or tested recipes when using commercial pectin. The powdered and liquid forms are not interchangeable in recipes. Commercial pectin may be used with any fruit. Many consumers prefer the added pectin method for making jellied fruit products because fully ripe fruit can be used. The cooking time is shorter and is set so there is no question when the product is done. And the yield from a given amount of fruit is greater. However, because more sugar is used, the natural fruit flavor may be masked. There are special pectins available to use for making jelly products with no added sugar or with less sugar than regular recipes. Specific recipes will be found on the package inserts and directions should be followed carefully. Acid is needed both for gel formation and flavor. The acid content varies among fruits and is higher in underripe fruits. When fruits are low in acid, lemon juice or citric acid may be used. Sugar is an important ingredient in jellied fruit products. It must be present in the proper proportion with pectin and acid to make a good gel. Sugar is the preservative for the product. preventing the growth of microorganisms. It also contributes to the taste of the product. Never cut down on the amount of sugar a recipe calls for unless syrup is the desired end result. Granulated white sugar is usually used in homemade jellied fruit products. Sweeteners such as brown sugar, sorghum, and molasses are not recommended since their flavor overpowers the fruit flavor and their sweetness varies. Light corn syrup or light, mild honey can be used to replace part, but not all of the sugar. For best results, use tested recipes that specify honey or syrup. Artificial sweeteners cannot be substituted for sugar in regular recipes because the sugar is needed for gel formation. Acceptably gelled refrigerator fruit spreads also may be made with gelatin and sugar substitutes. Such products spoil at room temperature, must be refrigerated, and should be eaten within 1 month. If you have questions on home food preservation methods, contact your local Nebraska Extension office or check online at food.unl.edu.